afternoon, everyone. This is Mary from Linbay Machinery. Today, I will introduce you a step beam production line. The biggest trait of this production line is it's using a full welding laser welding machine. And so this is a step beam example. It's almost finished and will be shipped overseas recently. The step beam is a very dispensable component in our warehouse system. It will cooperate with the bracings, connectors, upright racks, and also the shelf panels. So the step beam is for support and place the shelf panel board. So in this case, it will require the step beam has a level of thickness and strength to have the stable intensity of it. So you can look at it carefully. Okay, come here. So the difference between these two is this is the spot welded and this is a full welded by the laser welding machine. These two, they look very different, not only from the outside look. So of course, this looks more beautiful, right? And not only that, also the strength, the intensity of it. You can see the pressure on it. If we press the beams, the pressure of it is all supported by just those one by one points. And this is supported, the pressure, the power on it is supported by the whole line. It's all combined by the laser machine. And it's a full welding laser machine, so it's welded from the very beginning to the end. Therefore, this is just a spot, and this is full welding without any excess weld scars, which makes it look very beautiful and also enhance its intensity in other ways. Also, so this is the difference between these two, and this line is producing these kinds of box beams. So this is kind of top configuration, and also this is one of its biggest specialties. The whole production line of this step beam is begin with the decoiler and the leveler, and then the hydraulic precart with the servo motor, which is the flying hydraulic precart, then the roll forming and the laser machine. Then after that, it's the hydraulic postcart, then the out tables. The out tables numbers is according to your needs, 2 meters for each. So for every production line, we will usually start with an uncoiler. Here, this is a 5-ton manual decoiler. The biggest advantage of a manual decoiler is it's very low cost and it's very practical for our business. We can put more money on other parts of the production line, and also we have a higher configuration, which is a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler. It can keep the machine working more smoothly and steadily, and help us to save a lot of manpower cost too. And you can see this manual decoiler, the power of it is supplied by the main roll forming part, and the hydraulic decoiler, the power of it is from the hydraulic station. This is one of their differences too. Okay, so next to the decoiler, we will have the leveler. This is the guide and the feeding. This is the leveler. So the thickness of the material used here is from 1.5 to 2 millimeters. When the material thickness is over 1.5 millimeters, or the yield strength of the material is over 300 MPa, a leveler will be necessarily needed to remove the tension on the surface and the crossbows on the surface of the coil too. So when a leveler is a very key component, and it cannot be omitted due to the price. Okay. So next to the leveler, here this is a hydraulic hydraulic press system, and it's equipped with a servo motor to have a no pause effect to significantly bring up the production efficiency of it. So usually there are two ways to cut the welded step beam. One is by the saw cut, and another is also here. The way we adopt is we punch the notches here. We punch the notches on the coil first, then we use the hydraulic cut. Just need to cut the bottom of the step beam. So the servo motor is for supply the power of the hydraulic press. So after our hydraulic punch system, then comes to our main roll forming part. Here we adopt the gearbox drive and the iron cast structure. So the iron cast structure, you can see, is nowadays the strongest way to frame the whole line. Thinking about the thickness, it will need high intensity. So the iron cast structure ensures a high load of bearing and a high load of working, and it can keep the production line work more efficiently. And here, it's very stable and durable too. It's poured in one piece. It's like a towering tree rooting in the ground. And the gearbox drive, it's a very advanced power transmission structure too. And compared to the traditional chain drive, it's more easily to repair too. For it's like one by one, separate individuals. And it's favorable for our later maintenance. And you can see here it's a double chained structure. It's also for enhance its intensity, for more high load of bearing too. And the gearbox drive transmission, and it's also very durable too. And here you can see, you can see several motors here. It's for supply the power for the automatic adjustment function. This production line can automatically change the height of the step beam. And you can see if you change the data on the PLC board, it will move backward or forward to change the height of it, to change the gap between the rollers. In this way, to change the height of the step beam. And okay, come with me. You can see here the rollers is becoming bigger and bigger gradually. This is corresponding to the height of the step beams. It will become vertical gradually too. And here you can see there are two machines. It's for producing the connectors between the step beam and the upright rack. It's connected with our laser machine. And later our videos will introduce these two machines more thoroughly. So after our main roll forming part, then we'll come to our full welding laser machine. And the difference between the full welding and the spot welding has been introduced before in this video. Okay, so this full welding laser machine is not also for forming a closed beam, also for increase its intensity and increase its strength too. And the full laser welding machine will equipped with a separate cabinet too. The touching screen you can put on the data in it. It has Chinese and English version, two versions. And here there is a screen too. So this spot is for aiming at the laser location. You can see there is a line here, and this spot. Okay, so after our laser machine, then it comes to our final hydraulic cut part. And this production line is exactly the same as the former one. Our customers from Canada, he bought two production lines for fulfill his much production line yield I need. And from the hydraulic station and the hydraulic valve, it's equipped with a servo motor to supply the power of it. And in this way to have while you are cutting the step beam without pause, this increases the entire production line's production efficiency too. So this is our entire whole production line for making the step beams. Also, we are experienced in making other parts of the warehouse system too, like upright racks, bracings, connectors, and shelf panels, etc. And you maybe this is like a normal step beam profile. It's not very complicated, but it's also customized to your needs and your budget too. So the configuration of every production line, every machine is all according to your need and your budget and also your profiles too. Also, you may be worried about the debug about the machine. There's no worry for that. We will debug and commission the machine before leaving the factory and make sure it can produce in time when it arrives in your country. Also, we will provide you the manual of use, and also there are plenty of installation videos provided. Also, you can see it on our YouTube channel. So, our warranty time for you is 2 years for the whole line and 5 years for the water powers, and also a whole lifetime after-sale service. So, if you are interested in our machines, please subscribe our channel for our further cooperation. If you have any questions about these machines, also you can leave our message. We will be here for you for 24 hours. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.